Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are making Tamatar ki khatti meethi sabzi. It is a side dish prepared mostly as an accompaniment to various types of rotis, parathas like mooli paratha, methi paratha, aloo paratha, gobi paratha, etc. This side dish has a sweet and tangy flavor. And not only parathas, it can be served along with sandwiches and wraps too as a dip. Kids love this dish because of its sweet and sour taste. This mouth-watering dish will complement any meal. The recipe is also vegan and gluten-free. You can serve it for breakfast or lunch, a quick weeknight dinner, or even pack it into a kid's lunchbox. Let's check the ingredients now to make this delicious tomato curry for your family and friends. For making tomato curry or tamatar ki sabzi, we have taken 4 medium-sized tomatoes. We need to take ripe tomatoes and 2 green chilies. You can take the green chilies as per your taste. Now we need to finely chop tomatoes and green chilies. For making tomatar ki sabzi or tomato curry, we have to heat a pan and add around 4 tablespoons of olive oil in it. You can use any other oil also. Now add a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Now add chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Add salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Keep the flame on medium while we are cooking. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now add about 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Now cover it with a lid and cook until tomatoes become soft. So it's been 5 minutes and we are checking after 5 minutes. So we still need to cook it for 5 more minutes until tomatoes become soft. So cover it with a lid again and cook it for 5 more minutes. So after 5 minutes we are checking the tomatoes. So you can see that the tomatoes are nice and soft. So just mash them a little bit with a spoon. It gives a nice taste to the tomato ki sabzi or tomato curry. Now keep the flame on low and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use any sugar. We are using brown sugar. Mix it well. Allow the sugar to mix properly. So once sugar is mixed, we can turn off the flame. And our tomato ki sabzi or tomato sabzi is ready. So now garnish with some coriander leaves or cilantro. Mix it well. So now we can serve it. So now we have served tomato curry or tamatar ki sabzi, and this curry goes very well with all types of Indian breads, and it really tastes delicious with different types of parathas like methi paratha, mooli paratha, cauliflower paratha or aloo paratha. You can also enjoy this with different types of sandwiches and wraps too as a dip. It really tastes delicious and it is also very healthy because it is made up of tomatoes. Enjoy this curry with your friends and family. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.